Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use your Zilch card in store. First, open the Zilch app and tap View on your card. Select In Store to activate it for physical payments. Next, add your Zilch card to your phone's digital wallet. iPhone users use Apple Wallet. Android users use Google Wallet or Samsung Wallet. Follow the prompts to add your card. Once added, it will appear alongside your other payment cards. At checkout, open your wallet, select your Zilch card, and hold your phone near the contactless terminal. Wait a few seconds for the payment to go through, and you'll see a confirmation on the screen. Before paying, check your Zilch balance and select your payment option. Either pay now or pay in 4 installments. Make sure you have enough credit and the correct option is selected. And that's it. That's how to use your Zilch card in store. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.